Alright, level 3, 8.4 part 2, sum and differences of radical expressions. Alright, we got to it. Alright, shut up. Alright, so here we go. I have an example like this, where I've got the square root of 5 times 4 minus rad 20. So if you can't read what this guy's saying, it says, I probably should distribute before I simplify, and I'd say you're correct, person here. Little drawing. Alright, so let's do this quickly. So if I multiply, look what I do here. I go rad 5 times 4, rad 5 times negative 20. So let's write this out here. Rad 4 times 5, well, that's just 4 times rad 5. I put the 4 in front. And then rad 5 times negative rad 20, well, they're both under the radical sign, so I'm just going to multiply 5 times 20, which is 100. And then this can't simplify, that stays the same. But the square root of 100 is 10, so I would just write minus 10. And there's my answer. Okay? Here's a second example. Once again, I'm going to distribute. So one more time, here we go. Let's take a look here. So if I distribute, let's see, rad 3 times 6 rad 2. So the only stuff inside the radical sign, that stuff multiplies. Whatever was outside stays outside. So 6 stays outside, 3 times 2 is going to go inside. Over here, again, the negative 4 stays outside, and 3 times the 3 goes inside. If I simplify that, I get 6 rad 6. Over here, this turns into 4 rad 9. Now, wait a minute. 4 radical 9. Radical 9 is a perfect square, so that's going to turn into 3 there. This can't simplify any further. That stays the same. So my last final answer here is 6 rad 6 minus 12. Okay? All right. Let's go one more here. Let's take a look at this one. Uh-oh, I've got 2 binomials and they have radical symbols in there. So if you're thinking anything like this person here, you're thinking, I remember something with binomials, area multiplication, right? So I go ahead and make myself a little 2 by 2 box right here. I put 4 minus rad 5 and 1 minus rad 5. And then I go start multiplying. So look, 4 times 1 is 4. Negative rad 5 times 1 is negative rad 5. 4 times a negative rad 5 is negative 4 rad 5. I just put the 4 in front. And then negative times a negative is positive. Rad 5 times rad 5 is rad 25. All right, so what I did, I just wrote all this out for you here. I wrote that one here. I wrote this one here. That one there. And that one there. Now I can see, okay, let me work with this. Before, can't do anything with that, but negative 1 rad 5 and negative 4 rad 5 is negative 5 rad 5. That simplifies to 5. And then last but not least, these two here are going to be able to combine. 4 plus 5 is 9, and this portion here you just write by itself. Okay. Now I know I went through that quickly. Wow, I need more examples. Then guess what? You can watch the extended video version, or video 4. If you got that, you can move on, but or you can just watch it for the sake of it. All right, enjoy.